Ayo, it's your girl VI Fashionista, your favorite body on a budget, and welcome to your new favorite channel. Period. So this is my first video ever, and this is also the first video of my beauty room series where I'm going to show y'all all the DIY projects I'm going to do to pimp out this room. You see these walls behind me, these empty walls? Don't even worry about it, because by the end of this series, matter of fact, by the end of this video, you're going to be like, y'all, you did that. And I did. But today we're going to focus on the wall behind me, because that is going to be my accent wall. So I'm going to show y'all an easy, affordable, and renters friendly way to achieve a bomb geometric wall using metallic tape. And let me tell you, this DIY project is so easy. It's literally one step, two materials. All you need is some metallic tape and a scissors or an X-Acto knife. I don't have one, so we're gonna tug it out with the scissors. I've seen this project being done using washi tape. Personally, I'm not a fan of the washi tape because I tried it on my wall and it did not stick. It just ain't work. So I went to Amazon and I find this bomb metallic tape, and I got it in two different sizes. I think I don't only need one, but we're gonna see. But this tape is so bomb, Ayo. Literally gonna stay and stick wherever you put it. And the best part about this tape is that when you're ready to remove it, it's not gonna peel the paint off. So who gained the deposit back? Me. And you, if you decide to try this project. And if you do, please let me know. Send me a message, tag me, because I want to see. So without further ado, let's jump right into this project.
So first you want to lay out some long lines to use as your foundation. I started out in the corner, but then I realized that it would be much easier to start my foundation from the middle and then work my way from there. The great thing about this project is that it doesn't have to be perfect, so you could start to lay out lines in whatever direction you want, because when you start to connect them, it's going to form its own pattern. So once my pattern started forming, every few seconds I would step back and take a look at the wall as a whole, and then go back in and pull lines wherever I felt like it needed. In my opinion, I think it's easiest to focus on one side first, and then when you're done, go ahead and tackle the next side. Here are the finished results, and honestly, I am so impressed. It turned out so pretty, and I love how the tape looks so vibrant and expensive. And this is how it looks with my vanity and futon up against the wall, and all I could say is wow. If you love these results, please let me know by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be bringing that heat. Thanks for watching.